Welcome to Srinisons, the harness makers. Relaying electrical power from source to critical components, sensors and gadgets for a flawless and safe journey in your vehicle has been our obsession for the last 42 years. We ensure power is delivered every time, whatever be the conditions. Join us here for a quick video tour of our philosophy, capabilities and the journey ahead. Srinisons is a 42-year-old manufacturing group. With the second generation at the helm at present, the group has risen to a 400 people strong workforce and a turnover of 476 million Indian rupees, purely on the basis of its integrity and relentless focus on achieving the customer desired quality standards.
Srinisons has been single-mindedly focused on making wiring harnesses since over 4 decades, and this long engineering knowledge base provides us with the competitive edge to meet the customers' demanding expectations.
Over the next 4 years, we are looking at a 500% increase in our top-line revenue growth, mainly basing it on our export growth strategy. A new overseas plant at Indonesia is under development and will start production soon. This plant is a joint venture between Srinisons and Precol and is being built as a captive plant for end user Honda Indonesia. This, we believe, is our first step in implementing our global export strategy and the vision of our group chairman, Mr. Selvan.
The vision of Srinisons to be an Indian-owned multinational wiring harness maker was originally scripted by my father 20 years ago. This vision is now a legacy for me and is slowly taking shape.
Our product range includes main wiring harnesses and battery cables for cars, two-wheelers and commercial vehicles, along with antenna cables, terminals and connectors. Srinisons corporate headquarters are located at Gurgaon, with Mr. Selvan and the finance team operating from here. The manufacturing facilities are close to Gurgaon at Manesar and some at Rudrapur, about 300 kilometers away. We have new expansions coming in India at Palwal near Faridabad. We have been supplying to our direct customers Hero, SML, Philips, Mitsuba, Precol, Delphi, Minda, Nippon, Lucas TVS, Motherson Sumi, Lumax, Napino, Mitsubishi Electric and Kinetic, along with some indirect customers Maruti Suzuki, Honda Motors, Tata Motors, Bajaj, Chevrolet and Hyundai. One of our parameters of measuring quality is defective parts per million, commonly known as PPM.
The systems at Srinisons are designed such that the rejection rate is the lowest at the customer end.
Defective parts per million are now way below the internal set targets and much below the acceptable standards at our customers' end, making us one of the favorite vendors with our customers. Let's take a plant tour, which is a manifestation of our philosophy. Well-qualified middle-level and shop floor managers have a very congenial environment at offices and at the shop floor, where the concerned team is given a free hand to continuously work towards betterment and are imparted regular trainings and interactions with customer-side experts. Our main assembly lines are well designed and manned with trained staff. Supervision and consultation is never far. A plethora of imported machines include the automatic cutting, stripping and crimping machines, as per Srinisons quality policy, to make foolproof harnesses, whichever components are required, they are all made in-house. For this, We have high-speed precision stamping machines which use progressive stamping tools. These progressive chain terminal tools are designed in-house by our engineers on CAD softwares and then assembled in-house again at our own tool room. This guarantees excellent quality and great production figures for our customers. An Italian zero-emission automatic plating line gives us high-quality raw material to start with. Which then finds its way to smaller but latest crimping machines under the watchful eyes of our trained shop floor staff. We have imported 3 plastic injection molding machines and dip molding machines for making all the critical function components like waterproof connectors. This is a small display of components which we make on these machines in-house. We take pride in showcasing our fully loaded testing lab, hardness testers, rapid eye measurement, profile projectors, crimp lab, and other relevant test equipment are all available for research and development, production evaluation, and of course, for testing the quality of the output on a daily basis. The raw material store is well stocked at all times as we are direct line suppliers to some customers. Equally well managed is the finished goods store for an efficient and seamless delivery, on time, every time. To achieve superior quality, besides the machines, equipments and processes, a very staff-friendly policy is followed at Srinisons. Our quality and productivity standards are maintained due to the usage of best industry practices for technical as well as management functions. The production is looked after by Mr. Ajay Kalia, who has a very positive take on the Srinisons philosophy.
Calm energy with focused hard work is what epitomizes our working style for the organization. We here work as a family, though with rule and regulations. We believe in planning well and then working for it without lapse in efforts and attention. We have successfully managed to meet strict technical specifications from an international customer and are now installing a captive production unit overseas. Our human resource policy helps us succeed as we spend heavily for manpower, education, grooming, whether it's a technical training, process training or personality development. We also have a good performance-based promotion and event programs in the organization.
Srinisons is run with a conservative financial policy. This has been a group feature from the beginning days, where employees and suppliers are deemed as part of the family, and hence larger financial reserves are always maintained for peace of mind and timely payments irrespective of the country's or sector's economic conditions. Moreover, a very sensible and cautious approach is followed towards capital deployment for expansion.
We don't come here for employment, or we don't work as an employer. We work over here as a team.
Srinisons' dedication towards ensuring stability of top management team can be gauged from the fact that leading industry veterans are brought into the company and prized with ownership stakes, along with the free hand to achieve group objectives of quality and customer satisfaction.
The vision is nurtured today with a management team that is made up of the promoter family, supported by senior industry veterans who have come in as owners to bring the vision to fruition.
As a seasoned professional in auto industry for the last 30 years, I take care of technological advancements at Srinisons.
Srinisons looks forward to establishing new plants around the globe at key hubs of automotive manufacturing, enabling a better understanding with customers during product development stages as well as during regular supplies. Srinisons has received high accolades by customers over these years of association. Srinisons is well certified for quality control parameters, which are mandatory and desirable for the automotive industry.